Welcome to Rishikesh at Rishikesh Vinyasa Yoga School, and hope you get the things like a t-shirt. Just quick check: t-shirt, notebook, manual, and this one is code of conduct. This garland for meditation, eye cups, rubber, and this neti pot, and also your daily schedule. This one. So we discuss about our daily schedule. So you have the class in the morning 6 to 7 Shat Karma and Pranayama. So Shat Karma is our internal cleansing, right? And after that we have the Pranayama, the breathing exercise, right? So here we will do Pranayama, and outside of the hall we will do Shat Karma. So in the Sat Karma, our day will begin with this. This we call Neti pot, and here we put like salt water, and then we clean our nasal, right? So this is the for your nasal cleansing, and when you familiar with this, then you will do this. Okay, this is also your nasal cleansing. So traditionally we use like a thread, but here school is very polite with you. That's why we are giving you rubber. Okay. So this rubber you will use like from this nose to this nose, sometimes this nose to mouth, and then flush it. Right? So how you will use this, how what are the benefit of this, you will learn that all the thing in your class, right? But this thing will help you in your breathing practice. Then you have this one. This is eye cleansing, so eye cups. So here we put one specific water, and through that water we use with the eyes and blink our eyes. So how you will use that also you will learn in the class, right? And this is the garland you will use in meditation class for japa meditation. So this class lead by Deepa ji. She will meet you tomorrow morning. So maybe hope you all are habitual to wake up early, right? So 6 to 7 this is your class, but if possible half an hour before you wake up and just prepare yourself, right? Energize yourself. And after that you have the Ashtanga Vinyasa 7 to 8:15. Ashtanga Vinyasa with me and Deepraj, and also Sahil will assist you. Okay, he will help you for adjustment also. So in Ashtanga Vinyasa, we will do the primary series. Okay? And after that, 8:15 to 9:15, you have meditation class. So meditation class, and sometime for the meditation class we will take you like a outdoor. Okay, so we will tell you before. Okay? And then you have the breakfast 9:30 to 10:30. You have breakfast, and then you have half hour gap, and then 11:15 to 12:15 you have yoga philosophy with Kalpendraji. So yoga philosophy with Kalpendraji, and then 12:15 to 1:15 you have anatomy class with OPG. So in both there is no exam. Okay, in like a philosophy class, in anatomy class no exam, but in anatomy class you can do like a presentation. Okay, so this is like a presentation, not presentation, right? After that you have lunch, and after lunch you are free till 4. So that is your own time, like if you want to study, you want to practice, and if you want to sleep, or you want to go out, so that is your time, right? And 4 to 5 you have body alignment class with Rajesh ji, and after that you have 5 to 6:15 Vinyasa flow class. So in Vinyasa flow class, you will do the practice under guidance of Rajesh ji, and after last week you will have to give the class, right? That is the exam, but don't take that is like a very that way, because this is like the place where you will learn and where you face to other people, right? So this thing will help you when you will get your own student. And after that you have dinner. So after dinner, sleeping time. Okay. Yeah. So this is your schedule. Okay. One more thing, in Shat Karma we have one specific cleansing that we call Kunjal, and also we call that Vaman. So Vaman is like a vomiting. Okay? So that is your abdominal cleansing. So that day you will drink the water and then bring out that water through your mouth like a vomiting, right? And that day we will not do Ashtanga class. And also that day we will do sound healing session. Okay? So just for relaxing in the morning. Rest of schedule will be same. Okay. One other thing, Monday we have the excursion time. So Monday we will go for the excursion. Okay. So Monday in the morning, like before breakfast, we will come back. Okay. And rest of classes will be same. So the first excursion we will take you to temple, and the next second excursion will be for the beach yoga. Okay? So in the beach we will do the practice like asana practice and meditation practice. Okay? Rest of the schedule will be same. Sunday totally off. Okay? Sunday you are free. You can give relax to yourself for the Sunday. Now we have this one. This is code of conduct. So you can go through this code of conduct later, and then you can write down your full name and sign it, and then submit in the reception. Okay? So just a few things I highlight here. So this is like a short course, and requires like your 100% attendance. That means your 100% energy we want, right? So if someone is sick and can't join the class, they can inform to management, or they can inform to teacher. We are surrounded by nature, and some other friends are here. So avoid to bring water, any eatable item inside the yoga hall. Okay, otherwise you will have to share your mat with and your food with other creature. So like it's like a open zoo. Sometime monkey come, sometime dogs. Yeah. Which one? Oh, any table things. Don't bring inside the hall. Like a food and this. Yeah. Yeah. You can bring the water bottle inside, right? But during the asana class, avoid to drink water, because when we are doing Ashtanga and Vinyasa class, so there we are creating the heat, and lots of Vinyasa we are doing for maintaining that heat. Once you drink the water, you cooling down your energy, right? So try to avoid the water. Before the class, after the class, you can drink the water. Whatever activity we will do here, like outdoor session, sound healing, and other things, so must participate on that. We have the washing machine here for washing your clothes, but if you want to wash your clothes from others, so you can also ask to management. That is like a paper cloth. Okay. So we have 2 person over here for helping to cleaning your rooms. Okay, so if you want to clean your room, your own or front of you, or if you want to just give the key to reception and then you want to make clean your room, also you can tell to management. Avoid to smoking, okay, inside. Drinks not possible, but smoking also avoid, right? If possible, just give to yourself one challenge, at least 24 days, okay, if someone is habitual to do that. Okay, if someone is going to like a Ganga for the DP, so just inform to management also, okay, or wherever you going, like a, if you don't know about the place, so just try to give take information from the management or from the teachers that you are going. Sometime what happen, if you are planning to go to river and deep on the water, so uh, government makes some specific points where you can do that, okay, because from here 200 kilometer far there is the dam. Sometimes they open the water also, okay, so if you will dip here, so maybe we will find you there, so try to avoid that, okay. And after that you can write down your full name, signature, and then submit in the days. Okay, one other thing, in Sunday we will provide like a breakfast, okay, lunch and dinner not. So at least one day we need cleaning, and we need like one day off for our staff, okay, kitchen staff. और कुछ? हाँ. Okay, so this was our like a schedule what we will do in this entire course. Any question? What? Which one? दे दो. Okay, yeah, yeah.
What could we put inside? Just water or something else? Because I have a contact, so I'm not sure if I can.
Take
So
off your contact lens first and then you can clean your eyes.
Yeah.
Okay?
also you inform to teacher that, you know. Yeah. Any other? Yes.
For eyes,
No, for not eyes.
maybe she
For
will
this.
use a normal water, okay, or rose water. Rose water. Rose water.
This
Okay.
rose water. She will tell you like all the things like how you make the water for you. Yeah. Any other? That means you are close to enlightenment. No questions. Okay, guys.
Sarah, we'll be instructed on how to use all of this tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay.
So you.
So if we want to go into town, do I just tell the management or?
No, regular you going to town, it's okay. But if you going like you know, on Sunday, like very far from here, then. One other thing, some people wants to like here for like deepen their knowledge in asana. Some wants to deepen their knowledge in philosophy, anatomy, meditation. Okay, but here I suggest everyone to give means attention to each and every subject. Okay, so like if you will just see one thing, so you will not enjoy the other thing. So try enjoy everything here, right? Okay. So best of luck. Namaste.